The Old Exe Bridge is a ruined medieval arch bridge in Exeter in southwest England. Construction of the bridge began in 1190 and was completed by 1214. The bridge is the oldest surviving bridge of its size in England and the oldest bridge in Britain with a chapel still on it. It replaced several rudimentary crossings which had been in use sporadically since Roman times. The project was the idea of Nicholas and Walter Jervis, father and son and influential local merchants, who traveled the country to raise funds. No known records survive of the bridge's builders. The result was a bridge at least 590 feet long, which probably had 17 or 18 arches, carrying the road diagonally from the west gate of the city wall across the River Exe and its wide, marshy floodplain. St. Edmund's Church, the bridge chapel, was built into the bridge at the time of its construction, and St. Thomas's Church was built on the riverbank at about the same time. The Exe Bridge is unusual among British medieval bridges for having had secular buildings on it as well as the chapel. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.